Welcome back. In this lecture, we generate our first actual chart, the line plot. Line plots are the standard for visualizing time series or trends where data points are connected in sequence. We will use the main plotting function in the pyplot module, plt.plot. 1. Preparing X and Y data. For a line plot, you need two sequences of the same length, X values for the horizontal axis and Y values for the vertical axis. We use NumPy's linspace to generate 50 evenly spaced points between 0 and 10 for X, and then calculate the sign of those X values for Y. It is crucial that both arrays have exactly the same length and correspond element by element. Two. Generating the plot. The core plotting function is simple. plt.plot. You pass the X array first, followed by the Y array. This function internally creates the figure and draws the line by connecting the corresponding X, Y points. However, calling this function does not immediately display the output. 3. Displaying the plot. To actually render and display the generated chart, you must call plt.show. This function executes the plotting commands, opens a separate window showing the figure, and stops the execution of the code until the window is closed. Always remember to call plt.show at the end of your plotting script. To summarize, the three-step process data, plot, show is the foundation. Our next lecture 37.04. Add color and grid. See you there.